want to roam today. Birds can't fly with wings so wet. Cats don't like the rain just yet. Bunnies hide beneath the trees, waiting for the rain to cease. Rain, rain, stop your fall. Let the sun shine for us all. Squirrels want to climb and run, and we all want some time in the sun. Rain, move away, come again some other day. Let us laugh and let us play with animals here on a sunny day.